Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can convert the currencies on the Binance. So let's get started. If you want to convert the Bitcoin to USDT or USDT to Bitcoin, you can convert any currency in any other currency. So let's get started. Simply, we have to click on this Binance app here, and now we have to go to this icon here. So I'm going to click on this icon. And as you can see, you will get the option for here for converting. If you want to get the convert you option, you can also do that. So here's the second last option, convert. We have to click on the convert here. Now we have to choose the currency from which currency we want to convert. For example, I want to convert from USDT to for example, I want to convert from USDT to usually if you want to change, I want to Bitcoin. I want to convert from USDT to Bitcoin. So we have to put our maximum amount here, and as you can see, this is the Bitcoin we will get. So I'm going to click on the trade here, and after clicking on the trade here, as you can see, we have to confirm this order that we are converting from USDT to Bitcoin. So now simply we have to click on this confirm, and as you can see, now system failed to execute the code which expired. Now we have to click on this again, refresh. Let's click on this and let's click on the confirm again. As you can see, now this is transferred, converted. So in this way you can convert from currency to currency, from Bitcoin to USDT or in any other currency. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can convert currency on the Bitcoin. So see you in the next video.